Well, tonight, 12 News continues to investigate allegations of blatant fraud against the state's Medicaid system, Access. State officials cut off more than 100 providers accused of scamming the state out of hundreds of millions of dollars, most often while exploiting Native Americans who thought they were going to rehab. Team 12's William Pitts has spent days researching every suspended company and is breaking down why they won't keep getting paid.
This is the address for one of the providers on the suspended list accused of padding their billing. We found a lot more than that, too, including some providers accused of billing for dead people.
The sign on this place used to say Harbor Health. The signs have been flipped around. There's another sign on the door saying there's counseling happening, but on the other side of the building, there's empty rooms. There's still some sort of medical office in the building. According to the Access suspended list, Harbor Health is accused of billing Access for the same codes, hours, and treatment all the time. Access says it should be different depending on the patient's treatment. Across from this elevator is Focused Family Services. Access accuses them of billing for people who are deceased, dead patients. The owner told 12 News the allegations weren't true, but decided not to do an interview because her lawyer told her not to. She told 12 News she's never billed for dead people and blames her medical billing company. It's the same billing company that's listed on the corporate records of 10 other suspended companies. The same billing company whose corporate address in Arizona is a Staples in Sedona. The Access letters spell out the allegations for each of 108 providers who are no longer getting paid. One in this building on 19th Avenue accused of submitting the same bill over and over. Another provider is accused of fraud by claiming that every single patient had the same diagnosis. One was accused of billing for treatment when the place was closed. Another was accused of billing Access for more hours than there are in a day. On and on, the state says, for hundreds of millions of dollars over the years. And Access says this list will probably get even bigger. William Pitts, 12 News.